news that is coming in at this point in time. The latest updates from the Taliban-run Health Ministry. The death toll from the earthquake in Afghanistan has risen to at least 20. Over 500 people have been injured due to the strong tremors, is the update that we're tracking at this point in time. Sarafat Zaman, a spokesperson from the Ministry of Public Health, has said that 534 people have been injured and 20 bodies have been brought to hospitals in Balkh and Samangan provinces. He has added that the rescuers were at the scene and the figures will keep on updating as per the statement that we are tracking. Well, Yusuf Hamad, a spokesperson of the Afghanistan Disaster Management Agency, he has said that the most of the injured suffered minor wounds and were discharged and are after receiving initial treatment. Remember, there has been a 6.3 magnitude earthquake that we are talking about. My colleague Ajay Jandyal with us on the broadcast to give us a better understanding on this. Ajay, of course, the numbers are now updating. We know for a fact that there are 534 people who've been injured and 20 bodies have been brought to the hospitals. Help us understand the situation on ground. What exactly is the collateral damage looking like?
In the past as well, we have seen that such kind of, disaster Afghanistan have already faced, whether it was a, warlike situation with America or if you talk about a natural disaster in the past as well as, a number of times these earthquake was felt over there, which resulted into the casualty to the civilian. And this fresh one basically was 6.4 magnitude earthquake, which have shaken the Afghanistan. 20 people have died, more than 550 people are injured, and that figure could go up because there are still, areas which are unattended because of the far-flung areas where which basically faced a disaster because of the earthquake. Several landslides took place, roads are closed, and that is the reason that authorities and the rescue teams, they haven't reached there to rescue the people. Afghanistan's authorities spokesperson, they are sharing this information that 20 people have died, more than 550 people are injured, and those who are injured, they have been shifted to the hospital. But we know that the situation in Afghanistan, because they don't have much infrastructure as far as these kind of situations are concerned, medical facilities and other, definitely other friendly relations, including the India, they are going to extend help, for resuming their life to the normalcy. No doubt it will take time, but rescue operation is going on, and definitely, teams are working round the clock to ensure that everyone has to be rescued and taken to the safer location. Those who are trapped in a building or a mudslide, they has to be saved. So these are the challenging authorities are facing over there, but yes, they are on job.
Yeah, just stay on with us. We're tracking more developments at this point in time. The United Nations mission in Afghanistan has said that it was on ground supporting rescue efforts. In a post on X, they've stated that just weeks after a deadly earthquake in eastern Afghanistan, the north has now been struck by another strong earthquake. We stand with the affected communities and will provide necessary support. Remember, we're also, of course, now talking about the earthquake that took place in Afghanistan back in August, where it was a 6.6, earthquake magnitude in August that killed more than 2,200 people in eastern Afghanistan, followed by another earthquake now in October that had left nearly 4,000 people dead. Ajay, of course, we're now, taking a recap at what had happened. We've spoken about the earthquake that took place in August, in October. Help us understand, of course, there has been a lot of frequency as far as earthquakes is concerned.
Yes, you rightly said. If you see that for last, several months, the intensity of earthquake, which basically can be seen that have increased. We have seen that how China, Afghanistan, Russia, California, India, they have faced such situation in Pakistan as well, Tibet as well. So these earthquakes are very normal, and we can say that it becomes the new normal in this region, which basically are earthquake-prone areas and earthquake-prone countries. So it's a challenging situation because we don't know that when this earthquake will take place, where it take place, what kind of a magnitude it will have. So these are the challenges because science have, developed so many things. They have, they have risen to a very good level. But even after that, they are not able to get at least details, or that or we can say that they were not able to get it done, that they'll not be able to, they are not able to predict about the earthquake and other things. So that's the reason that they are not able to tell that when it will take place. So these are the reason that the earthquake which is taking place, that is taking life as well. What government can do, they are asking people, authorities continuously conveying the people that they need to build houses which are basically earthquake prone houses. Those who are living in kacha makans, like temporary shelters, those who are living in the muddy houses, that is something which can be a threat. And in Afghanistan, we have seen that because of the turmoil, because of the situation they have faced during the war-like situation, whether it was earthquake and now ongoing situation with Pakistan, Afghanistan is not able to come up with that kind of a structure which can face the earthquake. So 6.4 is not that much that could cause massive damage, but whatever damage that is causing in Afghanistan, that is taking life. So this is a definitely challenging situation for the people of Afghanistan and the government as well.
All right, Ajay, continue to be with us on the broadcast. Taliban spokesperson Zaibullah Mujahid has taken to social media platform X to state that the earthquake has hit